change things up a little bit. We're going to go to a little creek near my house, and I'm telling you, this is not VR. We're going to see what we can catch. See, we have arrived at our fishing spot. We'll go down to those rocks over there and see if we can catch any fish. Okay, so I'm just gonna put on the bait, but there's this little barb on the fishing hook, on the fishing rod hook, and it helps you take off the fish if the fish actually like swallows the worm. So I'm just gonna put it on and then I'm just gonna go fishing. Okay, so I got it all on. My dad is going to be fishing with me too. He's the one who's recording this right now. So it's all set. When you want to fish, hold the fishing rod down here. So how you do it with this one, the line needs to be right in front of the pole in the whole thing. You have to have this right here, flip it over to the other side, so then once you let go of the string, it will let go of the line. Okay guys, so I got him on. Now we're going to cast it and see if we can catch a fish. Not that good of a cast, but it worked.
The water pushed it into the gravel.
No one saw anything? No one saw anything. I repeat, no one saw anything.
One.
It's a decent sized one. A little bass. Yeah.
Lucky you.
A nice little largemouth.
So the water isn't going that great. It's not going that slowly, as you can see. Over there near like the big sewer looking thing, It's always like that, but the water doesn't really go that fast. It's also pouring now, even though earlier it started raining, then it stopped, and then now it started again, but my dad only caught one fish.
Come on, you piece of poop. Come on. Oh, man. All right, let's try to go around and maybe we'll get it out if you got it.
Looks funny. You look kind of funny. So how'd you see that guy?
Oh, gosh dang it.
Now I know where it is.
Man.
What?
I was reeling it in a little bit. He swam right up to grab it. I didn't hook him very good. Should let him chew on it a minute. All right, kiddos, as you see, Braden is there trying to dominate my fish. That's pretty much like number 3 for me now, ain't it?
What?
That's pretty much like number 3 for me.
Oh, we need to clean up on aisle 3. It's an ugly little piece of trash. We need to clean up on aisle 3.
Are we going to the store?
No, you are aisle 3.
I'm aisle 3?
Yeah, we need to clean up aisle 3. There's an ugly piece of trash on there. It's a piece of...
I found it.
No!
I found it.
You are the trash! Don't even try to steal my fish.
I'm gonna catch him first.
I got a fish and then I lost it because of you.
Liar.
Liar. Your pants were on a tire of liars.
You're on a tire of liars.
What?
You are.
Dad?
What?
I have a question. Where'd you catch that fish?
Right where you were just at. Actually, it's right over there.
Oh, where again? Barely caught him. Dad, look at that. Barely caught him.
Good job.
It barely caught him.
Mm-hmm.
So, right when we changed our lure, my lure, and I got my dad's fishing pole, all of a sudden the camera that we were using ran out of battery. But after that, we started catching a lot of fish. As you know, my dad caught only one. That's how you know he's lame. And I, the awesome one, yes, me, I caught one big one and 3 also big ones. My dad only caught a small one, okay? So later we might show you it, but I don't know.
I'm gonna get home.
When we get to my house, okay? Not yours.